exclusive promotion studio in beautiful downtown Christiana, Delaware, it's the Tim Qualls Show. And now, here he is, the one, the only, the talker of the town, Tim Qualls.
Enthusiastic crowd. I like
It was.
that. Yeah.
How are you?
Sean's got to quit doing accounting or something. He don't get them excited. The front man, that's what we need. Somebody to warm everybody up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how you doing?
I'm great.
Yeah, you look very springish today.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice day out there. Record-breaking days.
Record.
Yeah, and then it's going to dip back down next week, so.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah, you can never tell.
Well, dipping is the 50s.
50s.
Yeah, we're
That's
not going to
better
have to worry
before.
about the cold stuff, I don't think, anymore. Good show today, though.
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
Yes.
Mount Pleasant girls are here. Talk about a relay run. Something that you can get into and walk it. So we're going to talk about that.
I'll take a cart.
Jeff Kessler's coming over.
Yeah.
I'm going to talk a little politics today. Some rules and regulations being put out there, and
Really?
new things every day. You know, our government's busy at work. And,
How do you find these out? Is there a web page or something you can go to?
people contact me.
People call you? Did you hear?
Yeah, and I've got my ear to the ground, so I'm listening. And there's some big complaints out there on some things that done. So we're going to talk some politics. And of course, Miss Brittany over here, she's always let her read her book here. How are you, Miss Brittany?
I'm good. How are you guys?
You look awful pretty today.
Thank
You
you
might
very
have to
much.
stand up and model that outfit before it's said and done. You know, is that because that's the second time? Is that the style now with the puff skirts that
Yeah,
the girls
a
are
little
all
bit
wearing?
of the poof at the bottom, a little bit of the extra. I don't
Poof.
even know what it's called. Like it's a little, almost like a little petticoat type thing.
Yeah, that's what it kind of reminds me of. It always reminds. You're going trash right away. I'm talking style here. You know?
Petticoat. That's funny.
On top, what else have you got going
Well,
on?
the opening game for the Blue Rocks is going to be on April the 16th. So if you definitely want to check that out and support our home team, then you can definitely go to that baseball game. You're going to go to bluerocks.com if you want more information on the games and the ticket information.
We'll be there opening day. We're
Yes,
always there.
we will
opening
definitely
day.
be there. And also, if you want to be on TV, you should definitely go to the game.
Yeah, we'll put you out there. And is that it?
And I have one more, actually. The 8th annual Evening with the Masters on April the 16th. That's a big event that...
That's something we do
we've
every
been to
year.
before.
We're not
Yeah.
doing that this year. We kind of got biased or with all the hectic things going
It
on
must
in our
have done.
lives. Yeah, I was looking at that and it's coming up, and I thought, well, we're usually there. That's a free lunch.
I know.
that we're
It's
not
a
gonna
great
get.
dinner. I messed up.
Yeah, that's the cooking guys part, isn't
Yeah,
it?
let's call them. Yeah, we'll be there.
Yeah.
It's an open bar.
What'd you do to your hair?
Drove in the car.
I know mine looks bad.
I got
but-
no makeup. I got no hair color.
Oh, you
I
just
got no cut.
showed up today. Then
I just
You
walked in.
got food and everything else. Speaking of which, we best get that out there. Our bullseye.
The Bullseye
Kate-
Connection.
Yeah, as they bring us our food each and every week here to the show, and it's just a pleasure to sit down and roast beef sandwiches. I mean, and their menus, anything and everything. 'Cause
Oh,
they-
yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, 'cause
They have a
do
lot of specials.
They do catering.
They do
services,
catering.
and we've used them quite a bit over the years for catering. I'm telling you, folks, if you're looking for a great catering company, you think that's enough bull that we can
so.
lay on the bullseye?
Yeah, why not?
Tony and them doing all right down there?
Oh, yeah, they like it. They watch themselves all the time.
Yeah, maybe they're watching this because we're live on the internet right now, too. You
That
know
might be a skill
Yeah,
tester.
and we're going to get everything started because I got a very special guest. I called him because of what was happening in politics, and I don't know anybody that's more involved with politics than Scott, so I brought Scott.
Really, I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah, very well. This particular politics, because it has involved with his business, too. And he'll making some money, so I thought, well,
Let's bring him on.
He'd be a good one to talk to. I think it's something that needs to be done, so we're going to talk about a new law out there and everything. And Brittany, any plans for this? You look awful pretty today. Yeah,
Thank you.
so there got to be some boy someplace you're not telling about or something.
I saw him at the,
Yeah, you notice that she's
Globetrotters.
how
Maybe.
every day she got this big smile and all happy about being here. And
Yeah, and then he got married.
all right, on that note, we're going to take a quick break. Mount Pleasant girls and all that coming your way. Jeff Kessler, one of my
Kessler.
favorite. Yeah, he's got a new song out, so we're going to hear that and all that.
Dookie
You don't
doo.
want to go anywhere. You want to stay right where you're at. We'll be right back right after this.